Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. My name is Roosevelt and I'll be making a cocktail for you today. So today's cocktail is called the Brown Derby. This cocktail was created in the 1930s in Los Angeles. So it got some years on it, right? It's a classic cocktail that uses bourbon, grapefruit juice, and some honey syrup. Honey syrup, same as simple syrup, right? 1 part honey, 1 part water. Bring it to a boil, mix it up real good. That way it just makes it easier. It gives you that honey flavor, but easier to mix in drinks because honey is real thick, right? And when you get it cold, it makes it harder to mix, right? So this just makes it easier to mix. And you keep the honey flavor, right? So let's get started. Actually, let's shake this, not stir it. And then we're going to fine strain it. That's what we're going to do. All right. First things first, we're going to go with 1.5 ounces of bourbon. And I'm using a higher proof bourbon just because of the grapefruit juice. Give it a little more kick, right? So 1.5 ounces of bourbon. Next, we're going to go 1 ounce of grapefruit juice. And last, we're going to go 1/2 ounce of a honey syrup, just 1/2 ounce. Add a little ice. Get us a nice little Nora glass. And that'll be it. There you have it, a Brown Derby. Let's see. It's an excellent cocktail. The honey is like back there, right? It's not up forward, but it's back there. Like you taste it a little bit, right? The bourbon, the grapefruit juice, all goes pretty well together. Like I'm impressed. I really do. I do like this. I know I say it a lot, but I look at recipes. I don't taste everything prior to making it, right? But I look at the recipes, right? And some combination just looks really good together. Am I the biggest grapefruit juice person? That's why I don't have like freshly squeezed. I'm not going to buy grapefruits because I don't eat them. But again, this is an excellent cocktail. Just try it out. All right. Don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time. Cheers.